This video is to show you how to make dragon eggs with the supplies supplied to you by the library. What you'll need is your thumbtacks, your glue, and your styrofoam egg. Those are the only materials you need to make this craft. To start, take your thumbtacks, and I would dump them out into some sort of tray to hold them, rather than have to keep reaching into your bag to grab them. I'd also take your glue and pour it out on some sort of tray or into some container that would make it a little bit easier to use. So, all you need to do to start is grab a thumbtack and your egg, and you're going to take the edge of your thumbtack and just kind of dip it in the glue. And that's just to make it stay when you put them in your egg. So we're going to start at the very bottom, and we're just going to push it right into the egg, just like that. After you start the first layer, you're going to take another thumbtack. You're going to do the same process each time. You're going to dip it in the glue, and you'll kind of overlap it over the last thumbtack you did, just like that. From here, we're just going to make small circles, overlapping them slightly each time we put one in. And you're going to want to push them in nice and firm. There we've got our first circle. We're going to continue this process as we go all the way up the egg. When you're all done, you'll end up with something that looks like this. I've chosen to just keep mine the base silver color that was included with your kit. You may want to take a wet cloth and just wipe it down to get all the excess glue off from the other steps. If you want to paint yours, I suggest using something like nail polish or acrylic paint and then putting a clear coat over it just to make sure that the paint stays on there without scratching off. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this craft brought to you by Rodman Public Library. Have a great day.